Hey everyone, welcome back to Stocks Telegraph, your one-stop shop for all things stock market. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all our stock tips, updates, and deep dives. Today, we're diving into Riot Platforms Incorporated, ticker symbol RIOT, a company that's been making some serious waves in the world of cryptocurrency mining and blockchain tech. With digital currencies growing fast and more people jumping into the blockchain game, Riot's definitely positioned itself as a big player in this space. But how's the company doing lately? And what's next for Riot? Stick around as we break down the latest updates and figure out if this stock is worth your attention. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, if you enjoy the video, hit that like button and leave a comment below. Do you think Riot's got what it takes to keep growing, or do you think it's headed for a rough patch? Let's talk about it. And share this video with your friends who are into stocks and crypto. We want to keep the conversation going. All right, let's get into it. So, first things first, let's talk numbers. Right now, Riot Platforms is sitting at $13.46 per share. If we look at the year-to-date performance, it's up by a solid 31.83%. Not bad, right? And in the last month, it's gained around 9.16%. However, it's still about 26.69% away from its 52-week high, so it's not at its peak just yet. Still, with all that growth, it's definitely holding steady. Now let's check out what analysts think. They have an average target price of $17.59 for Riot, which is quite a bit higher than where it is now. That suggests some room for growth. The analyst rating sits at 1.28, which is basically a buy recommendation. So yeah, experts are feeling pretty confident about Riot right now. And it gets even better. When it comes to profitability, Riot's been killing it. Their return on investment for the last 12 months is 1.88%, and they've got a healthy profit margin of 16.68%. But here's the kicker. Their earnings per share growth has shot up by a whopping 117.94%. That's some serious improvement in profitability, especially in the world of crypto. Revenue's up too by 19.43% year over year. Oh, and the debt-to-equity ratio, just 0.01. That's almost non-existent, which is a good thing. It means Riot's not bogged down by too much debt. And the stock's trading about 12% above its 50-day moving average, so there's some solid short-term momentum going on. All right, let's talk about Riot's operations. The company recently posted a pretty strong December 2024 performance. They mined 516 Bitcoins in December, which is a 4% increase from the month before. That's a good sign that Riot's ramping up its mining operations and getting more efficient at it. Big news from Riot's side is the completion of the Corsicana facility. This is a major milestone for them because it marks the end of the first phase of their 400 megawatt development. Now, they're carefully commissioning the facility to make sure everything runs smoothly, which means some of their hash rate isn't fully online just yet. But it's all part of making sure everything's in top shape for the long run. Looking at 2024 overall, Riot really stepped up its game. They grew their hash rate by an incredible 155%, way ahead of the network's overall 52% growth. Because of that, they mined 4,828 Bitcoins in 2024. Pretty impressive, right? Even better, Riot's power cost is super low at just 3.4 cents per kilowatt hours, which gives them a big edge when it comes to staying profitable in a highly competitive mining market. Oh, and Riot's Bitcoin holdings? They're massive. By the end of 2024, Riot had 17,722 Bitcoins, up 141% from the end of 2023. That's a huge boost to their balance sheet and a great sign for investors. Plus, Riot's been focused on increasing their Bitcoin yield per fully diluted share, basically how much Bitcoin they hold per share, which rose 39% last year. That's a win for shareholders. But here's where it gets really interesting. Riot isn't just focused on mining and holding Bitcoin, they're also attracting attention in the financial markets in new ways. Defiance ETFs recently launched RIOX, a 2x long ETF for Riot Platforms. This is the first ever ETF designed to give investors double the exposure to Riot. So if you're looking to amplify your investment in Riot, this could be a cool option for you. And the best part, you don't need a margin account to invest in it. So it's a unique way for regular investors to get in on Riot's growth. Defiance's CEO, Sylvia Jablonski, has been all about Riot's potential in the crypto world, saying the company's a leader in Bitcoin mining. She's not wrong. Riot's been expanding fast and adding more Bitcoin to its balance sheet, similar to what MicroStrategy has been doing. This is definitely drawing more eyes to the company, and RioX is only going to add fuel to the fire. On top of that, Riot raised a hefty $594.4 million through a convertible senior notes offering. They used that money to buy 667 more Bitcoins at an average price of $101,135 each. Riot now holds 17,429 Bitcoins as of mid-December, which only adds to its position in the crypto space. And it gets even better. Piper Sandler just started covering Riot Platforms with an overweight rating and a $23 price target. They're really bullish on the company, especially with Bitcoin getting more mainstream attention. They're also optimistic about Riot's expansion plans, particularly with their new Corsicana facility. If all goes according to plan, Riot's aiming to triple its mining capacity by the end of 2027. So yeah, things are looking up for them. To wrap it all up, Riot Platforms is making huge strides in the cryptocurrency mining industry. They're expanding operations, increasing Bitcoin reserves, and running things efficiently. With a low debt load, strong growth, and analysts backing them up, Riot is definitely a stock worth watching as the crypto market keeps evolving. So, what do you think about Riot's future? Are you excited about their growth, or do you have some concerns? Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more updates, and share this with your friends who are into crypto and stocks. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.